Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Well, today we have this beautiful Mercedes SLK 230. That's 1999 model. Code number is R170 or WDB 170. So the problem with these cars, because they are cabrio actually, but they are the roof it is hardtop. So the roof electric hydraulically will go down this way. This will come up. The roof will hidden at the back, and then the car will be cabrio. The problem with these cars, sometimes the hydraulic ends are failing. So what happens is, so this is the activation switch. So as you can see, when we try to open the sunroof, it starts with that, but unfortunately nothing happens. The problem is, sometimes at the pump, which is located right over here. As we can see right here, it is the pump, but we can't see any fluids inside because some of the hydraulic ends are leaking. So we have to change the hydraulic ends. And we will restore the movement of the roof. So let's go. So we have to change the cylinders. So we get the cylinders right here. So we have the main one, the main lift cylinder, the front lock, another main one, and we have the trunk lead, the right side and the left side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cylinders. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cylinders at the front. So let's get started.